Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Health Elegance. Today I'm going to share with you a homemade ointment recipe for psoriasis. Applying this ointment to the affected skin gives a feeling of irritation at the beginning, but don't worry, this is normal. It will reduce the itching, irritation and discomfort caused by psoriasis. If the psoriasis is not too old, then regular use of this ointment will get rid of it quickly. But if it is too old, you have to continue using it for a long time. If you continue the treatment regularly, you will get the best results, but foods that increase the risk of psoriasis should also be avoided. Now start the remedy. Take alum 25 gram, borax 12 gram, yellow sulfur 25 gram, Vaseline enough to make a paste. Method: take all the ingredients in powder form, mix with enough Vaseline to make an ointment and save. First, wash the affected area with the neem leaf waters. Then apply this ointment, leave for 2 to 3 hours, then wash. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.